Hi, I'm Zanzi Fashion Scenes, but today is going to be Mzansi Gossip Scenes. Is Shebashit the biggest celebrity right now? Is he the biggest superstar of our generation, like Saul Penduga has said? This guy is loved, guys. He is loved. This guy trends from January to December. He trends. And nowadays at least is more positive things rather than negative things, and I love it for him. I love it for him. Like for me, I feel like he has a personality. He has a personality. That is the reason why he is loved. And his life is like, he's not flashy. He's not taking himself as a celebrity, like I'm known and he becomes a snob. No, I feel like he's just a normal person, but at the same time, a superstar. Like, this man is loved by the kids, he is loved by the street niggas, he's loved by the ladies. I mean, the ladies are going crazy over his looks. Like, his eye contact, wow. Like, yeah, he is handsome. I gotta say that. I have to confess that he is handsome. And he's booked and busy. He's a superstar. He's booked and busy. And I really love it for him. I love the fact that he has turned a new leaf. You know, he trends for positive things right now. And we love it for him. We love it for him. But when it comes to this new collaboration, yeah, Lerato Laga, like, are we having another Jerusalem situation whereby the featured artists are not booked, but only one artist is booked? Like, we know that Master KG was the one who was booked more, and the lady that was featured was not booked. And she complained about that. She was like, oh, those are my vocals on that song, but I'm not being booked. Only Master KG is being booked. Are we having another situation like that whereby Shebeshit is booked, and when he performs this song, like, this song is loved, like everyone is singing it out loud? I'm not saying that he's solely booked because of this song, but when this song comes on, like, a lot of people are singing along, they love the song. And the other featured guy who sings the Lerato Laga part is not really booked. I'm not saying that it's Shebeshite's fault, but I wish that they would book him also. I know that Sting Malo is also featured, but I wish that they could at least plug the guy that was featured, because it seems like he's a new artist and that will give him exposure. But I don't know. It is the same case that, like that of DJ Waffles, Uncle Waffles, whereby the featured artists were complaining that she gets booked and their songs are being played, but they are not booked with her, and they feel like she's not advocating for them to be booked. So tell me if we're having another Jerusalem situation, if it's that thing of Uncle Waffles where featured artists were complaining that they're not getting booked and they feel like she's not plugging them. Do you think that Shebeshit is not plugging that guy who was featured on La Ratolaga? And let's